Welcome, this is the CX23 Biological Microscope from Olympus, a trusted brand known for high-quality optical solutions. It's designed with an ergonomic grip in color-marked holding zones for safe, easy carrying. Lightweight and portable, the CX23 weighs only 4.9 kilograms, making it perfect for labs, classrooms, or mobile setups. The built-in rotating nosepiece and long working distance objectives simplify sample setup and replacement, safe and efficient. With coaxial, coarse and fine focus lobes, you get a precision control, and the torque limiting function protects the system from the over-rotating. Enjoy a wide 20mm wide or view and flat, clear images thanks to planned approved chromate objectives. The built-in LED provides up to 20,000 hours of consistent, low blue light illumination. The titled arm design and fixed eyepieces reduce rest, stress, and offer a more comfortable viewing posture. Whether you are in a lab, hospital, or academic setting, the Olympus CX23 delivers portability, durability, and top-class optical performance. Ready to upgrade your microscope solution? Let's talk.